Very good morning, dear children. Today is Saturday, and every Saturday we do some activity. You might be thinking I'm going to eat something in this thermocol plate with these spoons. No, children, we are going to do some activity, and that activity is best out of the waste. Okay? So, for this activity, we need a thermocol plate and 5 spoons. It can be wooden or plastic, but that will be better if you will use these wooden spoons. But I was having only 4 spoons, so I have used this one plastic spoon also. And the main thing which we will use is these shells. Children, from few days I was collecting these pistachio shells. So children, I am going to use these shells. Okay? So firstly I am going to color this paper plate, especially sides of this plate like this with Rangila color. If you don't want to color, you can leave that. Okay? It's not necessary to color it. See, I have colored this plate with brown like this. Okay? I'm going to give shading with this green color like this with a very light hand. Now I have colored this plate. Let it dry. I think it is all dried up. Now I'm going to make eyes on it like this. With this permanent marker. Okay? Now you might have understood what I'm going to make. Today I'm going to make a turtle with these spoons and this thermocol plate. Okay? I'm coloring the flippers and tail of this turtle. So for sticking these spoons, I will use this sellotape. Okay? Because with Fevicol we cannot stick it. So children, keep your thermocol plate like this. Now children, I am going to cut this spoon from here because it is big. So I will use this plate. And for sticking, I will use this sellotape like this. Children, I am going to use these wooden spoons for making the flippers of this turtle. And I have stuck these spoons here with the sellotape like this. Another spoon, and I will stick it here like this. Okay? Now what is left? We have to stick the tail also. So we will stick the small part of this wooden spoon here like this. It is the tail of this turtle. Now see, now is it ready? No. Now children, the main thing what we have to do, we have to stick these shells on the back of this turtle. We will apply some Fevicol on the back of this turtle like this. Now keep shells. You can color these shells, but I left it like that only. There is a shell on the back of the turtle and tortoise. Children, I want to tell you here the difference between a tortoise and a turtle. That is, tortoise lives on the land, a turtle lives in the water. But a turtle always lays its egg on the land only. In the last activity, we have made a tortoise with the vegetable printing, but in this activity, we are making a turtle. I have stuck these shells on the whole back of this turtle. Now I am sticking in the sides of it. So children, I have stuck all the shells on the back of this turtle like this. Now if you want to color this, you can color. You have to color these shells with a very light hand, otherwise the shell will come out. These are very fragile. coloring with very light hand. You can color the flippers also. Now children, our turtle is ready. See, our turtle is ready. It's a 3D turtle. Children, from these flipper it swims, okay? It has 4 flippers and tortoise has 4 feet, okay? And a small tail. You can see there is a small tail. So for making this, I have used a thermocol plate, 4 wooden spoon, 1 plastic spoon, and these pistachio shells, okay? You all will try to make this at home. Children, last Saturday we have made a tortoise with vegetable printing, and today we have made a turtle in the best out of the waste activity, okay? Thank you, bye bye.